Cooling and heating are vital for our modern society. We need cooling to keep food fresh, store data and medicine, and heating for production and comfort. However, we spend massive amounts of energy on cooling and heating, and it has a huge impact on the climate and the environment. That's why we in Advansor strive to design and produce the world's best sustainable CO2 climate solutions. A climate solution combines cooling, freezing, air conditioning and heating into one system. Most people believe that cooling and heating need to be two different systems. Nothing could be more wrong. Having a common system reduces the waste from either the cooling or the heating. A climate solution is ideal whenever you need cooling or heating, for instance in supermarkets, hotels, production facilities and district heating plants. Advansor climate solutions enable heating without fossil fuels, high efficiency systems, lower total cost of ownership. The process of heating and cooling requires a refrigerant. However, most refrigerants used today are HFCs or HFOs. The F is short for fluorides, some which are forever chemicals. These refrigerants contain fluoride compositions which potentially pollutes our drinking water with harmful chemicals. But it does not have to be that way. Instead of forever chemicals, we use CO2, the same CO2 as used in sparkling water. Advansor climate solutions use the natural refrigerant CO2. It drastically reduces the global warming potential of common refrigerants from several thousands to one. It does not affect the ozone layer, it's non-toxic, it's non-flammable, it does not harm our drinking water, it is very energy efficient. That's why we are cool with CO2. Another key element in limiting the global warming is energy efficiency. More than 50% of the energy consumption is used either on cooling or heating in buildings and industry. To obtain the highest level of energy efficiency, we combine cooling and heating into one climate solution. Innovation is a part of our DNA, and we invest heavily in designing and developing the most energy efficient racks and options. Choosing a sustainable solution is not only about using a natural refrigerant and improving energy efficiency. It's also about how the system is produced. In Advansor, we see the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals as our guiding star. We primarily work with 4 of the goals. We make the biggest climate impact with our core output, the world's best sustainable CO2 solutions. We strive to design the most energy efficient solutions. We use the natural refrigerant CO2 to protect our drinking water from forever chemicals. The last goal is to ensure a responsible production and good and safe workplace that reduces our carbon footprint. It's important to us that all employees work in a bright and clean facility with low noise and healthy air. We've implemented state-of-the-art ventilation systems in our production facilities and offices. All trucks and forklifts are electrical. We produce hydrogen locally in our own factory. We use it for soldering, a key process in our mechanical assembly. Thereby, we avoid harmful particles and the use of fossil fuels. As part of our dedication to responsible production, we reduce waste throughout all processes and sort and recycle excess material. Our facilities are designed to ensure low energy consumption, and we're certified according to the ISO Energy Management Standard. We have an international setup for servicing customers in more than 30 countries. We have a broad range of professional skills, open minds, and colleagues representing 25 different nationalities. That allows for diversity in language, culture, and thought, and a broad understanding of the world, our partners, and our customers. We take social responsibility seriously, and we have colleagues that are in subsidized jobs, students, and employees continuing their education. We value our differences, which makes us a strong team. Since 2006, we've produced more than 12,000 climate solutions, demonstrating that a safe workplace, strong financial results, and sustainable solutions can go hand in hand. The better we succeed together, the better for the climate.